the next day now. We're heading out looking for night monkeys. And it's Emma's 50th birthday today.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, honey.
Yeah, thanks. Oh, he got one. Yeah, he got one, honey. Fish. Yeah, he's hoping to get something.
Such huge eyes.
Oh, here, look. They're gorgeous.
Oh, macaws too. You can check it out the big eyes that they have.
They're looking at
That's
us
why
like...
they are called a owl monkey.
So, would the macaws take one of those?
No,
No.
they don't.
No. What's their predator?
The predators could be a hawk
Yeah.
or eagles.
Because they're tiny, huh?
Yeah, they are tiny.
Do you think they're fully grown? They're so cute.
Macaws in the back for one. This is just amazing.
He's big too, isn't he? The macaw. So that's a parrot family?
Yeah, same family. But... Oh,
Wow. It's coming.
oh
There's two.
no, they are eating.
Eating.
Hmm.
What are they eating?
Some fruits.